Hello guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to cook tempura, a simple dish influenced by Japanese in our Filipino cuisine. And here are our ingredients: shrimp, seafood stick, homemade breadcrumbs from fresh bread, water, all-purpose flour, salt and pepper, and baking powder. In a clean bowl, just mix all the dry ingredients and gradually add water to make a batter for our tempura. Just keep mixing until a thick batter is achieved. The consistency of our batter should be like a gravy. Now, it's finished for our batter and we'll start cooking. In a clean pot, let's pour some oil, enough to deep fry our tempura, shrimp, and seafood stick. When our oil is hot, let's start with our shrimp. Just dip in a batter and roll in our breadcrumbs and start to deep fry it. Just do the same process with the remaining shrimp and wait for our batter of the shrimp to golden brown in color before taking off from the oil and proceed with our seafood stick. In making this dish, you can use vegetable as well to make tempura. Name the few like asparagus, bell pepper, onion, eggplant, and other things that you may think of to make tempura. While waiting for our shrimp to be cooked, let's prepare a clean plate with a kitchen towel to absorb excess oil from our tempura. Now it's ready. We'll be proceeding with our seafood stick to cook. We're doing the same process on our shrimp. Just dip in the butter and roll in our seafood stick into breadcrumbs and deep fry it until all our seafood stick are finished. After frying our seafood stick, we'll proceed to making our dip sauce for this tempura. Our ingredients are shredded ginger, radish, sugar, soy sauce, mirin sauce, and water. On a clean pot, just pour in the water, followed by our soy sauce, mirin sauce, our shredded ginger, and radish, as well as sugar. Just mix it in a pot and bring it to boil, and it's done. Please guys, continue to support our YouTube channel to grow and inspire us to upload more videos of DIY and cooking in the future. You can also visit our Facebook page Lutuing Pinoy Abroad, Instagram, TikTok Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. Just make sure all the ingredients are well mixed and incorporated with each other, and bring it to boil. And when it's boiling, our sauce for the tempura is finished. Now, we're going to turn off the fire and start to plate it on our tempura. Please again guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share, likes, and comments for this recipe if you like, to support us to upload more videos of cooking and DIY in the future. Thank you very much and God bless. Happy eating! Bye-bye!